Little French recipes. Hello, or should I say bonjour. Today I am joined with my sister, and today we are going to make
cookies.
So, what you will need?
250 grams de farine.
So you will need 250 grams of self-raising flour.
No, not self-raising, plain flour, because otherwise it'll be poof. Oops. 140 grammes de beurre.
Oui.
250 grammes de sucre. Une cuillère à café de levure. Une cuillère à café de l'extrait de vanille. Un œuf. Et des pépites de chocolat.
So, you will also need to put all your ingredients in the biggest bowl you have.
Un saladier. Alors,
And
we've already prepared our ingredients to start off with.
So
Let's study this.
So first you take out your big bowl and put it in the middle.
Verse la farine. Doucement. Rajoute le sucre.
So you put in the flour, and now we are putting in the sugar.
How much? We've already said. Après, on va mélanger avec la cuillère en bois.
So you need a wooden spoon to stir.
Not very much.
Until it's all.
Pas beaucoup.
Until it's what?
Mixed.
Until it's mixed and it looks sugary and floury.
Rajoute le beurre un peu fondu.
And wait,
Un peu fondu.
so mix. Oh,
Remember to wash your hands before. Lave les mains.
this is not comfortable whatsoever.
Until it's in breadcrumbs.
I did not like this.
Aussi, préchauffe le four à 180 degrés.
So heat the oven to heat your oven.
190, 180 degrees.
Oh, remember, this is a really fun and easy recipe to make. And you get mucky hand at the end. It should look like
Breadcrumbs.
breadcrumbs like this. And then you take, if you have any, you just rub your hand like that, get it off.
Yeah.
This is and remember, this is really sticky stuff.
Okay. Should we crack the egg?
Yeah.
Should I do it or should I leave Charles?
Let me.
Ok. Alors dans le bol, on a l'œuf, le sucre,
la farine
et on va mélanger.
et le beurre.
Ah oui, et le beurre.
Oh, this is really stiff.
café, de l'extrait de vanille. Et une cuillère de levure.
So, of baking soda.
No, baking powder.
Baking powder.
Here we go.
So you pour it into the bowl, and with your wooden
On rajoute les pépites de chocolat.
Okay, mother.
No, you just wash your hands.
So remember to use remember to use all of your chocolate.
Well, you don't have to.
No, but
Alors, should look like this. And now, maintenant, on va mettre sur la planche.
so
Le baking.
remember this has to cook for 20
10
minutes.
à 15 minutes.
So 10 to 15 minutes.
So you want to take a little
Bit.
not a lot because they do expand, pas beaucoup. Comme
So,
ça,
About
comme ta main un peu.
so these cookies are
Là.
So remember, you have to put your oven at
180.
so 100 so 110
No, 190 to 180 degrees. It doesn't really matter. Depends how strong your oven is. Et voilà. Voici les cookies qui sortent du four. Bon appétit.